दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। These civil appeals arise out of the final judgment and order of Gujarat High Court dated 23/7/2015. The High Court partly allowed the appeal of the respondent, Union of India, and quashed order of the arbitrators and set aside the amount awarded by them in respect of claim number 12. The arbitrators under claim number 12 awarded interest pendente liti at 12% on the award of rupees 30 lakhs excluding security deposits. Further, the High Court dismissed the review application filed by the appellant. The appellant and the respondent, Union of India, entered into a contract for quarrying, stacking and loading stone ballast, broken stone aggregate, rubble, etc. from the Western Railway quarry. Thereafter, disputes arose between the parties, due to which the appellant called upon the General Manager, Western Railway, to appoint arbitrators in order to settle the dispute. The arbitration proceedings commenced on 26/9/1988 and the award was passed. The arbitral tribunal, comprising of Chief Engineer and Director Finance, awarded an amount as against the claim raised by the appellant. An award for the claim raised by the appellant was made. The present dispute relates to the amount awarded under claim number 12, that is interest. The arbitrators awarded the appellant interest pendente liti at 12% on the award for damages excluding security deposits. The appellant thereafter filed a civil miscellaneous application number 22 of 2001 along with the award in the civil court. The award was made a rule of the court by an order under section 17 of the Arbitration Act of 1940 by the civil court. The respondent challenged the order of the civil court in appeal. The High Court partly allowed the appeal and set aside the order of arbitrators claim number 12, under which the arbitrators had awarded a sum as interest pendente liti. The appellant, aggrieved by the High Court's judgment and order dated 23/7/2015, filed a review application before the High Court. The High Court dismissed the review application, void judgment and order. The present SLPs are filed against the High Court judgments and orders passed by the High Court. The question that arises for determination before this court is whether clause 16(3) reproduced hereafter of the general contract clauses restricted the power of the arbitrator to award interest pendente liti. In the present case, the arbitral tribunal, giving effect to the purport of clause 16(3), did not award any interest on security deposits. The clause in terms states that no interest will be payable on earnest money, security deposits, or on any amounts payable to the contractor under the contract. The arbitrators in their award have relied on clause 16(3) of the contract to deny interest on the security deposit. The arbitrators held that what was intended under clause 16(3) barred the grant of interest on earnest money, security deposit and amounts payable to the appellant It does not in any way bar grant of interest pendentality. On behalf of the Union of India, it is contended that the arbitrators, by reason of clause 16(3), could not have awarded interest pendentality. This contention is incorrect. In terms, the clause only bars interest upon earnest money and security deposits or amounts payable to the contractor under the contract. The above mentioned amounts are amounts which in a sense belong to the contractor. They are amounts voluntarily deposited with the other contracting party in order to be refunded or forfeited depending on performance of the contract. As such, they are not amounts of which the contractor is deprived the use of against his wishes so as to attract interest. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। डिक्टेशन का लेवल बहुत दमदार है, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स इसमें ऐसे ऐसे आए हैं कि आपको पक्का दिक्कत हुई होगी। और अगर आप लीगल टर्म्स नहीं लिखते हैं कंटिन्यू, या आपने उतने ज़्यादा लीगल नहीं लिखे हैं, तो आपको काफ़ी सारे वर्ड्स तो ऐसे लगेंगे कि ऊपर से निकल गए, जैसे पेंडेंटलाइटी हो गया, इस तरीके के बहुत सारे। परपोर्ट वैसे पहले भी आया हुआ है, बट ये वर्ड्स कुछ इस तरीके के हैं जो आपको दिक्कत दे सकते हैं। तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कि आपका क्या हाल रहा इस डिक्टेशन को लिखने के बाद। हाल बेहाल हुआ या फिर बहाल हुआ, बढ़िया हो गया, मज़ा आ गया? तो आप ये बताइएगा। वीडियो को लाइक किए बिना मत जाइएगा, मेहनत मैं पूरी कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के लिए। आप भी एक मेहनत कीजिए, एक अंगूठा लगा के उस पर। आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।